Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about DML command in Oracle SQL. In last video, we learned about DDL command. So let's start the video. DML stands for Data Manipulation Language, which means it is a language which manipulates the records into the table. Uh, DML commands are used to insert, update, and delete the data or records inside a table. The, there are some commands which is mostly we use to update the table, delete the table, and insert the table. So these are the commands: insert, update, and delete. So basically, these commands are DML commands. And one more important point to remember is that DML commands are require commit. So otherwise, the changes will not be saved permanently. So if we don't write commit command, then it did not changes permanently. So now let's start with insert command. So basically, insert command is used to add new records into a table. So if you want to add new records into a table, then we use insert command. So before inserting data, make sure that the table already existed. If table is not existed, we do not insert the records. So existing table is mandatory for insert command. So for example, suppose we have a table called student with columns, ID, names, and age. So in last video, we create one table like this. So to clear the string, we use CLSER select star from student. So basically in this we have ID column, name column and age column. This is the uh, table which is present in our database. Now we add some data into that table. So we use like this. We have two syntax for inserting the data. Insert into existing table, right column name, then values and column value. So this is the first syntax. So let's start how we can insert the data. So we can write like insert into student. So we can write ID, name, and age, and values like one, comma, Rahul. Uh, Character data always represent in inverted comma. So 22. So this is the syntax of insert command. So one row created message get. So basically, it's inserting the data into that table. Insert into means inserting the data table into the table, and student is the table name. Inside brackets, we specify column names. Here, ID, name, and age are the column names, and values are there. One Rahul 22, uh, which is provide to the column. And so in this example, ID is equal to 1 and name is equal to Rahul and age is equal to 22. So after inserting the record, uh, insert in the record, we get the message one row created like this. So basically, we add some data into this. So if we want to check this, so select star from student. It show the records like 2 Jones 23. It is a already have this record, and new record is 1 Rahul 22. This is the new record we insert into this. So to save the changes, we use commit command. So commit complete. It is basically saving our changes permanently into the database. And when we do not use commit command, then the data will not store permanently. So this is how the insert command works. Then we goes to update. So basically, update is the command which is used to modify existing records in a table. So we use the where clause with this update. command to not updating all the rows, or we can to update only specific rows. We use where clause. Without where clause, if we use update, then it update all the records uh, into the table. So be careful by using update. So let's understand the update command. So we can target the row by using age, uh, sorry, ID, and we can change the age of the student like this. So update student, set age is equal to 25, where ID equal to 1. So it basically changes the records. So one row updated, we get the message. So we understand how it works. So update student means we are modifying the student table and set ages 25, where ID is equal to 1 means change ages value to 25, and ID means ID is equal to 1 means update only that row where ID equals to 1. So we can see here we update this second row, uh, and age is equal to 22. So this is the update. Uh, we can see like this by using select star from student. So it shows the uh, this changes where age is equal to ID is equal to 1, age is equal to 25. This is all about updating command. When we use update command, commit command is compulsory. If we write commit command last, then we can use to save the updated data permanently. So this is how update command works. Then we goes to delete command. The delete commands is nothing but to delete the records or remove the records from the table. Then we use a delete command, just like update. We use where clause into delete also. Uh, if we want to use where clause, then it deleted all the records from the table. If we want to delete specific record, then we use a where clause to delete all the records. So now let's delete the one records. For example, we want to delete to Jones and 23. So we can write like this: delete from delete from student where ID equals to 1. No, sorry, 2. So it delete the first record where ID is equal to 2. So we can see like this: select star from student. So basically, it delete the records. So understand this sentence. So delete from student where ID is equal to 2. Delete from means remove data from the table. Student is the table name where ID is equal to 1. Means delete only the records where ID equals to 1. After deleting data, we must save changes, which is commit. Okay. Commit saves the deletion permanently. Okay. If we want, we don't write where here, then it deleted all the records. It's act like a truncate, but there is too much difference between truncate and delete. Okay, truncate delete all the records in one shot, but if you write delete command to delete all the records, then it's works like row by row, and truncates it's delete the record in one shot. This is all about DML command. So, in today's session, we learn about DML. So, if you learn something new from this video, hit the like button, share this video with your friends who are learning, and uh, and subscribe to my channel for more uh, SQL videos. So, in the next video, we will continue our SQL series with another important topic like DCL and DCL, DQL. So, until then, keep learning and keep practicing. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.